Our communication roadmap for couples is for you who want to invest in your communication because you value a strong connection between your partner and yourself. In this video, I'd like to give an overview of all the digital resources available in this roadmap. First of all, begin with the 2 free digital resources titled Communicate to Connect Definitions and Communicate to Connect 7 Steps. It's the perfect introduction for this roadmap as it gives you most of the important definitions and steps that you need to get going. The next step would be the book titled The Ultimate Conversation Companion for Couples Volume 1. In this book, you will find all the detail that you need to advance in this roadmap. The next step after that is implementation, and you do that with the book titled The Ultimate Conversation Companion for Couples Volume 2. It includes more than 50 complete conversation guidelines to help you implement all the knowledge and insight that you've gained so far. And then lastly, 3 different packs of conversation cards for couples that you can use as an alternative to the Volume 2 book, or you can alternate between the Volume 2 book and one of these packs of cards. As you enjoy this journey, remember that in healthy relationships, it is all about connection.